Okay, we're going to look at the second lecture for stack. Okay, so this one is a special application for stack. Okay, so let's look at this arithmetic notation for calculation. Okay, so there are a few ways of writing your notation. First one is the one that we've been using for longest time. So for example, we write the operator between the operands. So for example, we say a plus b. Okay, so let's say you have 3 plus 2 for example. So this is 3 plus 2. Or that's something like 3 minus 2. Okay, so that's fine. Right, then there's prefix notation. You put the operator before the operands. Okay, so again, A and B are the operands. Plus minus times divide is the operator here. Alright, so there's also the postfix notation. You write the operator after the operands. Okay, so you write it as A, B plus. When you say A, B plus, right, this is saying a plus b. All right. Okay. Next. Okay. So how do we do postfix notation? How do we understand it, right? Okay. So let's look at this. All right. So when I say a b plus, right, is this a plus b or b plus a? Okay. In actual fact, this is just a plus b. All right. We always take the first one as the we take the first one here as the first operand. Okay. If it's for addition, right, there's no difference. But when you do subtraction, right, a b minus, right, we have to be very careful. Okay, is it a minus b or b minus a? So in this case here, this is actually just a minus b. All right. Okay, so be very careful with that. Okay. So let's see how this one as a stack it works, right? So what I do is that, okay, we will just take in the first operand, push it in, take the second operand, push it in as well. Okay, then once we encounter an operator, we start to pop it. Okay, we start to pop things out. Okay, so we have B. Okay, this B, remember, is the second operand, A is the first one, and then we do A minus B. Okay, so that's how we do it. All right. Okay, next. So let's look at something a bit more complex. This one 3, 4 times 5 plus. Okay, so if you were to look at the stack operation, okay, let's just show in all the items first. Then I'll show you what we can do with this. Right, I think this one has no animation. Let me double check. Yeah, so this is what is happening here. It's actually 3 times 4 plus 5. Okay, but let's see how we use stacks to solve this problem. Yeah? Okay, first let's look at this 3, 4. Okay, so again, when we see our operands, we push in the operands into the stack. So first we see 3. So 3 is the first one to go into stack. So let's just put 3 in first. Okay, then we just strike it off. So for easiest to see. Okay, next we see 4. Okay, so 4 again, we push it in, push 4 in. All right, then we strike it off. Okay, the moment you see an operator here, okay, so this is times, right? So let's start to pop out things already. Okay, so remember we have, so this is the first one I pop out is a second operand, right? So this one comes out, this will come out, 4 will come out first, 4 will come out to here, 4, then 3 will come out next to here, to over here. So this is 3, and then 3 times 4. Okay, and this is equals to 12. Okay, once I have the value here, once I have the result for this operation, right, I will push it into the stack now. Okay, right now the stack is empty, right? I just push it in. Okay, so 12 is in now. Then the next number, the next operand is 5. 5 will go in next. Okay, so right now your stack will be, let me write it here, 12 and then 5. All right, so these are the two items. Let me clean up a little bit of stuff here. Okay, this one, yeah, just ignore this one lah. Okay, 5 and 12. Okay, so 5, 12. The next thing I have is a plus. Okay, so again, I will take items out now. Okay, so the first one to come out is 5. So 5 will go here. Then 12 will come out next. Then I put in the operator. And this will give me 17. Now I push 17 inside here, inside this stack. So this is 17. Okay, and this is my outcome. All right. So this is just how you do postfix notation. All right. Okay, next. Okay, let's look at something else. This is 3, 4, 5 times and plus. Okay, so let's put out empty stacks again. All right. So again, let's try this. Let's do this very fast now. Okay, we have 3 and 4. So 3 will go in first. Okay, then we have 4. Then we see 5. Okay, so 5 goes in as well. Okay, so once 5 goes in, right, then you see, oh, there's this times here. Okay, so I will pop out the latest two. So I'll pop out 5 to form the second operand. I'll pop out 4 to form the first operand. So 4 times 5, and that'll give me 20. Okay, right now I pop out 5 and 4 already. Okay, but my 3 is still inside, so let's just put 3 here first. Okay, then the result of my operation 4 times 5 is 20, so I push in 20 as well. Okay, once I push in 20, then the next one, oh, it's a plus. Okay, so now I pop out the latest 2. So I have 20 plus 3. Okay, so I get a total of 23, and I push 23 into the stack. Alright, so this is what you do. So let's check 3 plus 4 times 5. Okay, so this one in terms of what we learned before, right? We always do the 4 times 5 first, so this will become 3 plus 20, and I get 23. Okay, okay, let's try one more example, I think. Okay, this one is a bit more complex. There are operators distributed throughout, but let's just do it in a very systematic way. Okay, so remember, we see operands, we just push it in. Okay, we see operators, we pop out the latest 2 items, and then we will deal with it. Okay, right, so right now we have 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we can just put them in. Okay, 3. Let me pause my video for a while. Oh, oh no. Oh, okay, let's look at the second application for stack. This one is for postfix notation. Right, so let's look at what is actually postfix notation. Okay, when we do operations in math, right, we tend to write it this way. We tend to write as a plus b. Alright, a plus b. Okay, so this is, we write the operator in the middle in between the operand. So this is your operator. Okay, prefix notation, we place the operator in front. Okay, so this is the same as meaning as a plus b. Postfix, we place the operator at the end. Alright, so let's look at how we can use this. Alright, okay, so how do we use postfix notation? Okay, when we do write ab plus, right, is this a plus b or b plus a? Okay, realize for plus, right, it's not a problem. It's the same. Alright, so a plus b and b plus a will give you the same result. Okay, but actually for when you have minus or divide, right, you're going to have an issue. Okay, which one is correct? Okay, so the way to understand this is that the first one, this is always your first operand, this is your second operand. Okay, so in this case, right, this is actually a minus b. Okay, this is the answer. Alright, so you can check ab minus is just you pop in a, you push in a, then you push in b, then you see an operator, then you just put it out here. Okay, pop out the recent one, then put it as a second operand, then pop out on the next one, put as a first operand, then put the operator there. So it's A minus B. Alright. Okay. So let's see how we can do this. So let's say we have this 3, 4 times 5 plus. Okay, this is something new to you, but you can see that actually is not hard to do. Right. So I'm just going to create a stack first. Okay, these are just representations of the same stack. Okay, so first thing first, if I see a number, I'm just going to push it in. Okay, so right now, I see the first one I'm dealing with is 3. So 3 goes in first. Alright, 3 goes in. Next one is 4. So 4 goes in. Okay, after this, I will encounter the first operator times. Alright, so this is a times. Okay, then what I'll do now is that I will pop out I'll pop out the last two values. Okay, the first value I pop out, which is currently 4, I'll put it as the second operand. Okay, then the next value I pop out will be the first operand, and this will give me 12. Okay, once I've gotten 12, once I got the result of my operation, right, I will push this back into the stack. Okay, push this back inside here. So 12 will go in now. Then I can continue, right? So right now I stop at the asterisk. The next one is 5. 5 is a number. So 5 will go in here as well. Okay, then now I have a plus operation. So write the plus here. Okay, then I'll pop the most recent one, which is 5, put it as a second operand. Then pop 12, which is the next one. I'll put it as the first operand. Then I get 17 here. Okay, so I'll take this, I'll put it into the stack. Okay, this is your outcome. Alright. Okay, so let's see. So 3 times 4 plus 5. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Alright. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, next, let's look at another one that's a little bit more complex. We see 3 numbers now, 3, 4, 5 times and plus. Okay, same thing, we will make an empty stack, then we just do multiple representations of the same stack. Okay, first thing, C number, just throw in. Okay, 3 and 4. Okay, I will just throw in the first 3 numbers in fact, because they're all 3 numbers. So push in 3 first, then push in 4, then push in 5. Then once I've done with all these 3, the next one is a times. Okay, so I write the times here first. Okay, then I pop the latest 2 out. The first one I pop out as well as the second operand. So this is 5. Okay, so then I will pop out 4. Okay, so 4 is here. Okay, remember 3 is still here. 3 is still inside. Alright, so this 4 times 5 is 20. Then this 20, once I gotten the result, right, I'm going to push it into the stack as 20. Alright, over here. Okay, next operator now is a plus. Okay, so it means I would pop out 20 to form the second operand, and then I pop out 3 to be the first operand. So I get total of 23. Then I'm going to push 23 into the stack. Alright, yep, so just quick check answer. 3 times 4 plus 5, we'll do the times first, so that's 4 times 5, so 20 plus 3, 23. Alright, okay, then we move on to something a little bit more complex, 3, 4, 5 plus times 2 slash. Okay, this one we might require more instances of the same, as in more representation of the same stack, but let's just do it. Okay, so again we make an empty stack, then push numbers until we see an operator. So we keep on pushing numbers, so we push in 3, 4, and 5. Now we see the first operator, plus. Okay, so plus is here. Okay, pop out the recent 2. So 5 will be the second one. 4 will be the second last one. And this will give me 9. Alright, 9. Okay, remember 3 is already here. So I'll push 9 into the stack. Alright, 9 is new to the stack, right? Okay, once I've done 9 inside, right, then now I see the next operator is times. Okay, so times. So that means now I'll pop. Okay, so now it is times. Okay, so pop out 9 at the back, then 3 pop out is the first one, so this will give me 27. Okay, push 27 to the stack, so I get 27. Okay, then now the next one is a number, so I get 2. Alright, then the next one is a divide. Okay, so now I want to divide, right? So I'll take the first one to pop out is 2, then this will be the second operand, then pop out 27. Okay, so this one I'll get 13.5. Okay, then I'll push 13.5 into the stack. So 13.5 into the stack. Alright. Okay. So we can quick check of this one. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Because we do inside the bracket first, right? Then we do 3 times 4. 3 times 9, 27. 27 by 2 is the 13.5. Okay, so this is a way to represent brackets. Inside your practice, which is optional, right? You can see how you can implement this this method, right? So if you think about it, right, this postfix notation, right, in fact is if you don't know about which order of operations to do, right, do bracket first whatsoever, right, if you follow the rules set by the postfix notation, right, chances of being confused is actually lower. And so I guess that's the main purpose of postfix notation here. Okay, of course it's extra thing to learn. Right, you come to the end of the lecture, please go and try the LT and so LT 10B and tutorial 10B. Okay, thank you.